behind the scenes at our Cambridge lab.
HMBT is a hydrogen and methane breath test. HMBT is used to diagnose and monitor gastrointestinal conditions like small intestinal bacterial overgrowth and carbohydrates such as lactose and fructose malabsorption conditions.
What's inside the kits?
Each breath testing kit contains a straw to blow into the test tubes labels, a symptom sheet, the substrate you'll have to drink, and some instructions. Once done, you can send us your kit in a prepaid envelope that's provided. Once received, our scientists will inspect the kit in a biosafety cabinet, making sure that the names match and the tops of the test tubes are closed securely. Next, we upload your details into your digital account before the samples get analysed by our gas chromatography machines. They pierce the top of the test tubes to extract the gases inside, which get separated out and detected.
It's used to separate, identify and quantify all chemicals which can be vaporized without decomposition in a sample.
The results are then checked to see how much hydrogen and methane are in that breath sample. We hope you enjoyed seeing how our kits are tested in the lab. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on omedhealth.com.